Wow, it's so big. Okay guys, here is my room tour of a Boardwalk one-bedroom villa at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This is room 4069. It's right off the elevator, really super convenient to the lobby. And let's begin. So, turn on the lights. Here's the front door. And there, right off the front door, there's a nice big closet. And then this lovely mirror. It's like a nice little foyer. Go around here and there's our kitchen. A full kitchen in the one bedrooms. Really, really sweet. All ceramic cups, glasses, more juice glasses, and plates, plus a refrigerator, a full stove. Let's see, oh, all kinds of utensils to cook with. I wish we were going to be here for more than a night because it'd be really fun to try to cook something. Dishwasher, coffee maker, bowls and serving dishes, full sink, a dish drain. Here is a nice little place for eating, but you also have, look at that chandelier, isn't that nice? You also have this little breakfast bar, a little nook. I love a nook, guys, I have to admit. Here's some storage, drawers, big television, really nice big TV. And then I'm assuming this is a room, the door to the adjoining room. We have a Skyliner view. So check that out. It's not a parking lot view. No, no, no. It's a Skyliner view. But it is really cool to watch them kind of whiz around all day, especially with those clouds in the background. So it's not overly nautical themed here, which I kind of like, makes it a little different than the yacht club. There's a giant man on the couch. Say hi, Tad.
Hello.
So this is like a dedicated living area, which is nice. And then here's your bedroom. It's carpeted, so it's nice and quiet and cozy in here. There's 2 bedside tables with plenty of charging areas and outlets. There's another bureau, another TV, and look, there's the tub, so you can, I think, pretty much watch television from your tub. And there's another balcony here for the one bedroom. So if you're having, if you're here with like another family or older kids, you can have your own private balcony, which is pretty nice. I really like this. Just looks like really nice, fresh. I love the little photographs above the bed. It's kind of like how I would have my bedroom if I had money to do that. All right, so bathroom, jacuzzi, jet tub, whatever you want to call that. Oh, someone's running up and down the halls. Here's a single sink. You do have your makeup mirror, and then nice big walk-in closet here, huh? It's pretty cool. And then another sink, the toilet, and a shower. And here we have, yay, washer and dryer. So I might have to be washing some clothes tonight. Although we leave tomorrow, so. Okay. So that is a look at the 1-bedroom villa at Boardwalk Villas. We are extremely happy to be staying here. It's a lovely room. It's probably a little more space than we need, but you know what? We'll make do. I guess that's about it, and we're gonna go have some downtime so we can go back to Epcot tonight. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when new videos come up. Thanks for watching.